How to start Geico password user ID recovery. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Geico's website. Here, click on Login at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on Login at the top right, again click on Login. After you've clicked on Login in here, it will lead you to this page. Here, click on Need Help Logging In. After you've clicked on Need Help Logging In, it will lead you to this page. Here, please select. You can simply click on it and select what you can access: email address, user ID, policy number, and in my case, I'm doing email address. Add your email address, then add your date of birth at the bottom. And after you've added your month, days, and year, press on Continue. It will lead you to a different page as verification code will be sent to your mail. You will need to open your mail, check for the code, and add your code in here. After you add your code, your account will be recovered. And this is how to start Geico password user ID recovery. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.